Thank you. Yeah, 41,964. I'll take that. I'll take it. Woo! 41,964. I got it in the 40 once. Yeah.
How'd it go?
Clean. 41,964.
Go on.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
It wasn't as I made a couple mistakes. I kind of lugged down and I overshot. You probably saw me overshoot this turn with the right, but that was my only mistake, and I was still only 0.2 off my fast time that I hit the cones on. So I'm happy.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.